I'm so happy you are all here.
We are happy too, Grandpa.
How are you? Very good. Grandma is tired. We should visit her at the hospital. I will stay here and do some repairs.
Okay, Dad.
How are you, children?
We're good, Grandpa. School is fun. Yes, and we are big now.
That's wonderful.
Goodbye, Grandpa. We are going to see Grandma.
Yes, see you later.
Bye, Grandpa.
Goodbye, everyone. Have fun. Excuse me, what room is Grandma in?
Room number 10 on the second floor.
Thank you.
We are here to see Grandma.
Is she okay?
Yes, she is. We will make her happy.
Okay, Mommy.
Room 10, this way.
Is Grandma very sick?
No, she's getting better.
She will be okay?
Yes, she will. Grandma is very tired, so we'll surprise her.
A surprise?
She will be happy.
Yes, very happy.
Room 10 is here. Yes, room 10. I hope Grandma is not sleeping.
I will knock. Let's wait.
Hello, children. I am so happy to see you.
Hello, Grandma.
The children wanted to see you.
Big hug, Grandma. We missed you, dears. Grandma, how are you?
Yes, are you better?
I must rest, but I feel better.
Good.
Rest well. Are you staying here long?
1 week, Mom.
Yes, 1 week. Good. I find the paper of the zoo. I think of you. It'd be good you take the children there. When you were little, you loved going to the zoo to see the lions and the monkeys.
Here, a zoo ticket. Wow, Mom, Dad, can we go?
Not today. We must enjoy Grandma.
Go enjoy the nice day. Don't stay in this room.
Are you sure?
Yes, go have fun.
Yay, let's go. I'm so excited.
Goodbye. Take me a plush toy from the zoo.
Can we go to the zoo?
Yes, the zoo.
No, it's too far.
We just got here.
Here you go.
Thank you. Pasta and salad
Yes, and a fork.
and a glass.
What animal do you want to see at the zoo?
I want to see a lion. I want to see a giraffe.
Great choices.
What animal has a big mane?
A lion.
Yes! Can you imitate a lion?
Hey, big paws, roar!
Woohoo! Guess what I am?
A monkey.
Yes, a monkey.
So funny.
Yes, you got it.
Mom, let's play the zoo game.
Okay, guess the animal. It has a long neck.
Yes, a giraffe.
Great job. You're so clever. Okay, guess the animal. Big ears, long nose.
A giraffe? An elephant. I know.
Yes, very good. Time for bed now.
I want to go to the zoo.
Me too. Let's go this week.
Good night.
Good night.
I want to see lions and elephants for real. I hope Mom and Dad say yes. Please, please.
Tomorrow, let's surprise the kids and go to the zoo.
That's a great idea. They will love it.
Good night.
Good night. I can't wait for tomorrow. Good morning.
Good morning. What time is it?
7:30.
Time to wake the children.
Who wakes Mia?
I wake Mia. You wake James.
Okay, let's go. Wake up, sweetie.
We have a surprise for you.
A surprise, really?
Yes, get up.
I have a riddle for you.
A riddle? Where do animals live?
The zoo?
Yes, we're going today. Let's wake your brother to tell him the surprise.
Yes, a surprise. I'm so excited. Go wake him up gently. Okay.
We have to leave soon.
Okay, to the zoo. To the zoo.
Yes,
Here we're going.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
We are going to see the lions. Huh? What is happening? To the zoo to see lions.
This is the zoo from my childhood.
My mother took me there all the time.
Wow, cool. Awesome.
Sounds great.
Every year I went to the zoo. Once a chicken ran after me.
A chicken, really?
Yes, good memories.
Wow, the zoo. It's so big.
Yes, and I hear the lion.
First, we need tickets. Okay, everyone, I have the tickets.
Look how tall they are.
Yes, giraffes have very long necks. They are beautiful.
Look, Mom, I'm tall like the giraffes. See how high I can jump? What a big jump. Hey, Papa, look at me with the monkeys. They're funny.
I am a monkey too. Woo. Wow, look at them go.
They're so playful. Oh, look, that one has a banana. He's eating it.
He sure is.
The monkeys are agile on this rope. Look at the lions. They have beautiful golden fur.
Yes, very strong.
And the paws are so big.
Look at the zebras. They have many stripes.
So many stripes.
Yes, each one is different. Children, what color are the zebra's stripes?
Black and white.
That's right.
So cool. I want to pet the zebra.
No, son, it's a wild animal.
Oh, okay.
It's not safe.
Look, parrots flying. Wow, so many colors. Red, blue, green, and yellow. So beautiful.
Look, the crocodiles. Wow, they are big.
Scary teeth.
They are sleeping.
Yes, be quiet.
Wow, so many teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful, dear.
That's cool, son.
Big. I take photo.
Look, it has 4 legs.
And big eyes.
Yes, to see well.
Wow, big crocodiles.
Yes. Now, let's go to the elephants.
Good idea. Yay, elephants. The legs are huge. He is immense. Yes, he is very big.
Look, he is coming closer.
Look at the elephant's big ears. Its trunk is very long. It has white tusks. The elephant is walking.
Look, the baby elephant. Wow,
So cute. It's walking.
Yes, it's moving.
Hee hee, look at the rooster.
wow, so many colors.
Here, rooster, come here. Red, yellow, and green.
Ah, the rooster.
Hey, it's just a rooster.
No, it's chasing me.
Just keep running, sweetie. It's chasing you.
Help, it's after me.
Wait, don't run.
Away, you crazy bird.